Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic Technics Ottava SC-C50 smart speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your speaker seems to be frozen or not responding, or it's not syncing with the app, it's not connecting to your phone, it's not pairing with Bluetooth or with Wi-Fi, any of these kind of issues can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Also, if you're just trying to set this up as a new speaker somewhere and you want to delete it off the app and just delete it off everything and get it set up like it's just new coming out of the box, this will do this. All we need to do is, with this unit powered on, we're just going to come, there's the power button on top, and then you're going to find this dimmer info button on the bottom left on the back. And you're just going to simultaneously hold both of those buttons. This button on the back, the dimmer info button on the back, and the power button on top. And just press and hold them simultaneously for at least 5 seconds. And after about 5 seconds, the initialization should start. And just let it go through its reset process. When it does, it will actually turn off and turn back on and reboot. And then you can go ahead and set it up like a brand new speaker.